Welcome back all my dear children for HTML5 and JavaScript. This week we are going to see about cascading style sheets. Before we go into the topic, let's have a small recap of the previous session. Last video we have seen about the inline styling and internal styling. This week only we are going to cover about external styling. In the internal styling, we have seen about how to define the style and how to give the paragraph and heading. Also, we have seen about different colors for paragraph and for heading and for the background. That's all. Let's see today's topic, that is external styling. External style sheet is used to define the style for many pages. What is that external styling? External means from outside. So, there will be two pages. One for the normal coding and one for the style alone. We are going to use two pages, one for sheet, one for the style alone and one for the regular coding. Let's see how to do that. First, go to the notepad file. So, first type notepad. Okay, here only we want to type the program, but I have typed it already. Let's see that program first. As I said already, we are going to use two files. First, we are going to create the style alone. So, I am opening this style program with the notepad. Okay. Where is that HTML tag, body tag? No. We are not going to use any of the head tag, body tag, HTML tag and all. Only style we are going to give. So open the style tag. Then give the body background color as cyan. Any color you want you can give. Then the H1 tag, that is for the heading, I have given navy color and 450% of font size. And I have given the style for paragraph with the font family Algerian, dark green color and 300% of font size. Then close the style tag. That's all. Only style we are going to give in this sheet. Okay, we want to save this. As usual, go to File, Save As. Go to File, Save As. I am going to save this as style.css. What is that CSS? That is cascading style sheet. Usually we will give .html, but this style alone we are going to save as .css. That means it is a style sheet, cascading style sheet. Okay, now save it. We have saved this style sheet first. That's all. Now again we want to open the another notepad file for the regular coding. That also I have typed already. So I am opening with the notepad. Okay. I have opened it. As usual, first line must be the HTML tag. Then head tag. In the head tag, we are going to give the title as external styling. Then close the title tag. Now, the important line, this line is very important. Listen here children. First, we want to give the link for that style sheet because we are creating two different notepad files. Both the notepad files we want to give a link. Without the link, it won't give the style. So first, give the link. LINK, link, relation, REL. REL means relation. Link relation equal to, within the double quotes, style sheet. Okay, because that is the style sheet page. So, within the double quotes, we are giving the style sheet. Then, href. What is that href? Hyperreference. Hyperreference equal to, we want to refer that sheet. I'll show how to do this. I delete this. I am going to do and show to you. How to copy the path of that page. We want to go to that. From the beginning I am doing. We want to go to that cascading style sheet. Here, right click on this file, go to properties. From the properties, you want to copy this location. We want to copy this location. So, fully you can select. You can copy it by right click and copy. After copy it, we want to paste it in the notepad. Where is that notepad file? Here it is. Within the double quotes, you want to paste it. Is it clear? So we are giving the reference of that style sheet. We are giving the link for this current HTML program and to the style sheet. Okay, we have given the path, but we didn't mention the file name. So you want to give the slash. This slash will be under the backspace because there are two types of slash. One slash is this one slash is this one. So this slash will be under the backspace. After this, you want to give the file name, that is style.css. Is it clear? Then close the double quotes and close the angle bracket. That's all. You want to give this line alone very correctly and clearly. If you do mistake in this line, then no style will appear on the web page, because we want the style for the web page. No, that style is in this CSS file only. Okay, don't do mistake in this line alone. Then close the head tag. Then open the body part. In the body part, we are going to use only the heading tag and paragraph tag. In the heading tag, I have given example for external styling. Then the paragraph tag, this paragraph, this is external styling paragraph. That's all. We did not use any of the styling in this HTML file. Then close the body tag and close the HTML tag. That's all. As usual, we want to save this. So file, save as, external styling .html. One file we saved as .css. Another file we are saving as .html. Now save it. That's all. Minimize this. So go to that folder, external styling.html. As soon as by saving .html, you can see the icon. If you save by .css, you can see the icon. Both are different. Okay, as usual, we want to go to HTML, open with Google Chrome. That's all. So we have given the cyan color background, navy color heading, green color paragraph. All the styles have applied in this page. Isn't it interesting, children? Very okay. We have come to an end of this session. Thank you all, children. All of you be at home and be safe. Thank you all.